Title: Bare Knuckled Truth. Description: No gloves, no mask, no pretense. She meets the world with fists raised not because she craves the fight, but because she knows it's already here. The bandana nods to the women who came before: factory floors, protest lines, kitchens turned into war rooms of survival. The hoop earrings catch the light like small suns, daring anyone to look away. Her stare doesn't blink, it doesn't soften, it calls you out and holds you there. She doesn't play tough, she stands unshaken, unbending, unapologetic. Every line of her face carries the weight of women who've been told to quiet down, voices that were dismissed, demands for equality that were brushed aside. Her fists rise as a promise, unflinching, unyielding, undeniable.